Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the Illusion Bee in Credit Garden game of Roblox PCB event update. Okay, before I show you the Illusion Bee ability guys, I'm going to show you where you can get the Illusion Bee. Basically, you can get the Illusion Bee from the mythical bee egg. You can go to the bee egg shop and then you're going to buy the mythical bee egg. And this is the rarest bees from this egg. You only have 1.35% chance to hatch this illusion bee. And this illusion bee, guys, is very powerful during the wasp dungeon event. So obtaining the illusion bee is a must to defeat the wasp king. Okay, and this is the ability. Every 60 seconds creates an illusion copy of a random bee for 20 seconds. And this is the speed. And it has 25 damage, if I'm not mistaken. So it will be so helpful to defeat the Wasp King during the Wasp Dungeon event. And I've already enchanted this illusion bee with the sword bee shard. So guys, make sure that you have this illusion bee to help you fighting with the Wasp King. Okay guys, and that's all about the Illusion Bee in Career Garden Game of Roblox PCP event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!